I guess in this one, I'll just make a brake shoe drum and stuff video. I don't know, but I got all this stuff from Rock Auto a few months ago when I got the front brakes, and C-Tech wheel cylinders, got both of them new. Centric brake hose, and just because they were on clearance and you couldn't beat $6, Power Stop new brake shoes. They any good? I don't know, but brand new. I think they're bonded. I don't really know. So I got brand new brake shoes. I'm gonna bring one of these down here, and I'll show. I guess I'll show putting this side together, and then I'll handle the other side off camera. Okay. Well, most of the people here have already done brakes. There's this part stuck on here. I still have to find one of these little springs, but I have a box of springs. And all the rest of this is on here. I gotta get those springs put on. Oh, and I mean, people know this, but short shoe, the long goes up the rear. Let's look at all that selection. What that is at least one rear set, but mostly it's a lot of front brake shoe springs. And you know, they may not be exactly the same, but at one point somebody replaced a bunch of these. So I hope I have the right adjuster for that side. This one, that should be the spring right here. Oh yeah, there we go. Apparently I have a few Canadians watching my videos, so. How's it look, Alright, so I believe it made it into the, not the last video, but the one before that, prelude to number 31. I said that the axles weren't going to be where they would have been running. And what I meant by that, and what that meant, is the entire assembly, both axles and the carrier, were going to be toward the passenger side. Well, I pretty well expected it. And what happened is the drum wouldn't go on all the way because it was hitting the backing plate and the brake shoes. So I took that wheel adapter, that wheel spacer, 1/4 inch wheel spacer, and it was a 4 lug or something. I made it fit this, and then made it fit the hub, the axle. So now this side is spaced off of the backing plate. The same amount. But this side is spaced off the backing plate. And I should still have plenty I don't have studs, and I still can't get that on. I should still have plenty of thread on the studs, and it puts the wheels being equal on each side. I could go over there and show you this, but there's that one. And that one. They're pretty close. And that's good enough. So, I think that I've done enough in this video. I just wanted to show you something that wasn't a complete rig, and I wasn't even able to do that because I had to space that drum out. But anyway, the brake shoes are on, the wheel cylinders are on, and the drums are on. Those drums, by the way, well, just like the front ones on this car, were junk. They were in a junk pile, and given to me because they're just scrap. But that gives my car a matching set of smooth drums. So I want to thank you for watching, and I'll see you again next time.